Hey guys, I hope you are having a great day. I wanted to hop in here right quick. I'm sitting out on my porch and it's actually a little bit chilly. It feels great. I'm in North Carolina, but I wanted to just be real with you. Guys, I have been all over the place looking for a true, legit work from home business. I found some that aren't good at all, but I found some that are good, and it might be a fit for you. Um, I'm going back to one of the trainings that I had purchased a couple of years ago, and I was looking at the reviews on his training, and dude got like 98 out of 100. So I'm going to revisit that because I did have success there. I just saw something shiny and went after it. So and that one's not an MLM. I do have one that's an MLM that I'm doing good in and would be glad to share it with you. But I have some things that aren't MLMs. I have affiliate marketing and some other products that, hey, you may be interested in. I'm going to be coming on here. I'm just going to be real with you. Well, we'll get down to it. And if you want to get a little more information, hey, just, follow me on Facebook. Shoot me a message. Anyway, Patti Allred here in North Carolina. And I'd tell you what day it is, but I don't know. It's Tuesday something, September something. So have a great day, guys.